and welcome to US Healthcare Nurses. In today's video, we will feature the Agency tab. In order to get to the Agency tab, simply log on to the website www.UShealthcarenurses.com. Click on the Agency tab at the top of the web page. You will be able to do this by going to the top of your screen and clicking on the person icon, where it will drop down and allow you to sign in. You will need to sign in by entering your agency's email and password. You will see that you're signed in because your email will appear to the top left. In order for you to determine how many nurses are in a specific area, you will go back to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the heat map under the Nurses tab. This will bring up a map of the United States. You'll be able to see how many nurses are in your state or in a specific area within your state. Each red dot represents one nurse. You'll be able to see the state of the nurses, their first name, and the initial of their last names. We included this map so agencies can determine how many nurses are available in their specific geographic area. For more information and videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can become a part of the US Healthcare Nurses community.